Hello students, welcome to Sri Kolhapuri School of Doll Making. This is Nisha here. Congratulations on registering for upcoming free workshop on Andal making. So many of you have been asking me, Madam, what materials do we need? Should we have experience, etc., etc. So I thought I will take a small video and help you understand how this class is going to be. Fine. So before that, a small introduction. I see that all those who have joined the group, most of you are completely new and you have not attended any of my classes. So I am Nisha here. I run a doll factory in Chennai for almost 10 plus years. I have served more than 25,000 customers, trained more than 3,500 students in the last 7-8 plus years. So I have been making dolls from my childhood and made this as a profession from 2017. So that is about me. I will tell more about myself and how I started my business and all during the class. Okay. So this class is planned on 22nd July. Okay, that is Wednesday. And it will be between 11:30 to 1 o'clock, 1.5 hours. And I will tell you how the class structure is. It will be in simple English and anybody will be able to follow the instructions. Fine. The previous class was in Tamil. This class will be in English because lots of students are attending from other parts of India. So like Andhra, Karnataka, Mumbai, etc. So I thought I will make it in simple English. Okay, so that is the first thing. The second one, you need to plan for 1.5 hours. So you ensure that you complete all your household work and then be ready by 11:15. Okay, the class will start at 11:30 sharp. And we will end by 1 o'clock, 1:15, sometimes based on the questions. So the first 5 minutes, a small introduction about myself. Next 10 minutes, I will tell you about doll making. What is doll making? What is doll makeover? Who can make a doll making, etc. So for that 10 minutes. And then 40 minutes for a live demo where I will be showing how I am making a doll into a beautiful Andal doll using simple materials. During this live demo, I will explain where to buy materials, what type of materials to use, what type of jewelry to use, how you should do the hair decoration, how you should do the face painting, and what you need to remember. 3 secrets that you need to remember when you are making a Andal doll. Okay, so I will also be teaching the traditional Iyengar style Madisar, a shortcut version of that for you to understand. Okay, so anybody with or without any experience in doll making will be able to make beautiful dolls just by following some instructions. All right, so I will explain all that during the class. And it is a free class, you need not pay. Okay, and if any of you need the recording, I will let you know the details about how you can buy the recording at the end of the class. So first 5 minutes introduction, next 10 minutes information about doll making, doll makeover, etc. Then 30 to 40 minutes for demo, and then followed by other programs that I am offering. So now this is Adi month, so I am launching few courses at a very special rate with materials. So I will be talking about that. So all those who are interested, you can buy that course, okay, with materials. That is a separate one that I will explain at the end. And after that, I will be answering all your questions. So, sorry, if you have any questions, you make a note of the questions, okay, and I will handle at the end of the session. Okay, so that is the one thing. Keep a paper and a pen ready. Okay, so this is about the class. So around 1:51 to 1:15, we will have the question and answer session and we will close before lunch time. Okay, maximum by 1:30, and we will try to close it before that itself. So how you should join? You all should have a Zoom app in your phone or laptop or tab or whatever that you are using. Okay, Zoom app is required. If you do not have a Zoom app, download the Zoom app. I will give you the registration link in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so you need to register first using the WhatsApp, the link that I am sharing in the group. Only if you register, you will be able to attend the class. Okay, so as I said, it is completely free. No fee is charged for this specific class. So I will share with you the link in the group. Click on the link and give your name, mail ID and phone number and register. Okay, and I will give you the Zoom link one day before the class. That is, Wednesday is the class. Tuesday evening I will give the registration link. Only if you register, you will be able to attend through Zoom, because last Krishna class many people did not register, and the last minute they were calling me and asking for link. They were not able to connect. Okay, so only if you register, you will be able to attend the class. Okay, that is the information. So I want you all to join 5 minutes. So 11:30 is the class. 11:20, 11:25. 25 is also fine. So complete all your household work, and this is for your own self. Okay, this is something that you are. It is see, as women, majority of you have registered. All are women. So as women, we all do things for our family, our kids, our parents, our in-laws, right, our friends. So we get very less time for doing something for our own self. So this specific course is for your own self. So ensure that you have all other works separate and focus on this specific activity. And I will also be teaching you some techniques. If you are interested in making this as a small business or a full-time business, I will give you some tips and techniques. So be very attentive in the class. Okay, so I will share with you secrets of how you can make this as a full-time business or a part-time business. That will also, I will share techniques. Whatever I have implemented, I am going to share that with you. And the last thing is, there will be a e-certificate for all of you, but you will have to wait till the end, listen carefully, follow the instructions to get the certificate. Hope all of this is very clear. So the first step is register using the link. Second one, have pen and paper ready. This is for you. No fee to be paid now for this class, and join 5 minutes before the class and follow the instructions clearly. Pay attention. Okay, I will see you in the class. This is Nisha here signing off. I will see you all live on Wednesday 22nd at 11:30. Okay, Namaskar.